This video I am going to show you how we're going to free up some storage space on my work computer. So I have 6 gigs, and sometimes it's good to analyze to see what is definitely taking up most of the space on your computer. So if you go to storage in settings, right, and you analyze everything, it will definitely show you what each part of your computer taking up most of the space, in which we will see after this finished scanning. Sorry guys, I know that my screen is a bit dirty, but however, if you look, you will see that we have apps and features, we have desktop, others, pictures, temporary files. So if you can see, we have apps and features 66 gigs, we have desktop 13 gigs, others 1 gig, pictures 1 gig, temporary files 0.89 gigs, right, gigabytes. So definitely you can actually click on these and you can free up space from whatever area you want to. For anybody who normally use iTunes, iTunes is a culprit to have a lot of temporary files. So let me go back and show you. You want to go to local disk, programs, data, then you want to go to Apple Computer. Here you go to iTunes. All these files you can just delete them, and this is taking up 37.1 gigabytes, right? We are going to delete, and that's how we freed up a lot of space. And that's how we freed up a lot of space on this computer. I hope that this was helpful and it was an easy and a quick fix for you with your storage problem.